Here's an interesting app called Airbuds Widget. So let's just install it and see how it's working. Let's just use it. Friends listening activity. So you can install this home screen widget, and it's a widget for best friends to share their listening activity. You and your friends can see what each other are listening to right now on your home screens. You can react to songs, play music on the app, and start a conversation. It makes you feel closer to your friends through the music they are listening to at any moment. So just sign up with Spotify, add the widget to your home screen, see what your friends are listening to. React to songs, play music on the app, and start our conversations. Seems it's only available with Spotify, no Apple Music, just in case, but let's just open it. And then you can just tap to connect Spotify here. To add the widget, what you do is just tap and hold, and then you can tap plus in the top right, and then just search for Air. Okay, it doesn't work. Sometimes this widget doesn't show up at the first time, so you can just tap and hold, and then just search for again, or maybe you just need to really sign up with Spotify, and then it should appear. So that's that.